Welcome to the Atosa Trademark Training Series. This video is designed to teach the end user how to set and use the core temperature probe. In the core probe cooking mode, the core probe will record the center temperature of the food being cooked. When the internal temperature of the food has reached the set point, the unit will sound automatically to tell you that the cooking process is complete. Let's begin. First, we want to be sure that the probe is plugged in. In the event that the probe is not plugged in properly, the unit will beep and display, "Connect the core probe." Check and reconnect the probe. If the unit is not already on, press the switch to the on position and the screen will display the operations mode. Now select the manual cooking icon to enter the manual cooking menu. Select the preheating function icon. Click the custom icon and enter the temperature by dragging along the bar, pressing the plus or minus, or press the temperature display and then input the temperature desired. Once selected, press OK and then select the check mark to return to the preheat display. Then select the arrow on the top right of the screen to be returned to the manual cooking menu. Now select the core probe cooking icon. Here, you'll see the core probe icon. Select the core probe icon to enter the core probe temperature setting page. Enter the desired core probe temperature by dragging along the bar, pressing plus or minus, or press the temperature display and then input the temperature desired. Once selected, press OK and then select the check mark to set and be returned to the manual cooking menu. Now select the steam input desired by selecting the dry steam icon. Enter the desired percentage of humidity by dragging along the bar, pressing plus or minus. Once selected, press the check mark to set and be returned to the manual cooking menu. Now select the temperature icon. Enter the desired cooking temperature by dragging along the bar, pressing plus or minus, or press the temperature display and then input the desired temperature. Once selected, press the OK and then select the check mark to set and be returned to the manual cooking menu. Now we will need to set the desired fan speed. Select the fan speed icon. Enter the desired percentage of fan speed by dragging along the bar, pressing plus or minus, or pressing the percentage display and then input the percentage desired. Here you can also set the fan rotation either clockwise or both clockwise and then counterclockwise. In addition, you can set the fan to semi-static. Semi-static rotates the fan according to temperature in the unit. The fan will turn on when the temperature is lower than the set point and then turn off when the temperature reaches the set point. Once the fan selections are determined, press the check mark to set and be returned to the manual cooking menu. After setting the core probe recipe, you are now ready to begin cooking. Press the Start button at the lower right side of the display. The unit will display your manual cooking settings. From here, press the Start button again and the oven will undergo a preheat process. This is displayed on the screen. After the preheating, you will see a Ready to Load symbol. This is to remind the end user to place the food into the oven. Place the probe into the food product. When using the core probe cooking mode, be sure that the core probe is inserted deeply into the center of the food to reach the right position and so that it does not detach from the food easily. Be aware not to insert the probe into the greasy part of the food near the bone. The cooking process may finish early in this case. If the food is very thin, place the food parallel to the pan and insert the probe. Pay close attention not to get burned placing the food into the oven. Be sure the probe wire is located in the top right corner of the door. Once the core probe reaches the desired internal temperature, the cooking process finishes, the oven will beep, the screen will display the reminder, "Cooking completed." Now you can remove the food product from the oven.